I'm going to do a quick demo to show you how to access Think Through Math. First thing you'll go to is projectsharetexas.org. You do not actually have to log in if you were just wanting to access Think Through Math. All you need to do is scroll to the middle of the screen and go to the words Texas Success, since that's actually part of the TA Texas Success Initiative that they're doing. Click on that link. And you will see a couple of things that the state is allowing you to use, including some online reading support that they are giving you. The one I actually want to focus on is the math, so we will go to log in. And it looks like I'm already logged in, so let me sign out, show you what it would really look like. I'll go back. Let's see if we can see what it would look like. Okay, you would come to a screen that looks more like this. And the first time you're using it as a teacher, you will hit log in as a teacher or administrator. You will type in your email and your password. And you'll go to add a class. And you'll name your class. And you will select different options about your class. What's your class focus? Are you doing it more for tutorials or remediation, etc.? I actually have a class already set up, but you can go through those prompts and set up a new class. I will go to a class that I've already set up called Demo Class. Once you've created yourself a class, you may add students at any time. And I will simply use another demo student, and I'll call them student number 8. Student information number is actually their PEIMS number. Your school should have that. I think it's usually on their report card if you need to access that kind of information to do their PEIMS. Select their grade level, and if they have a second language, and save. Once you do that, you've got a student set up. You can do that for all your students. And there may be an easier way to do it if your school has a way to sync the students in for you. Many schools do. But once you've got your students in, they will now be able to access the system. So I'm going to get out of here and I'm going to go log back in as a student so we can see what it would look like if I was logging in as a student. So this time I'm going to log in as a student. And if I was a student, the very first thing they'll see something like this where they have to take a placement test. They'll start their placement test. They will continue through. Once they finish their placement test, it will know what curriculum to give them and where to start them to help fill gaps. It's a very interesting system. They redeem points, they earn badges, they participate in little contests and games, and all kinds of different things throughout this system. So from here, the students will actually be given a curriculum after they take their test. So this system is really, really great. There's a variety of other things that this can do for you, but first thing you need to do is get those kiddos set up, and you'll be able to have an intervention tool that your kids can use for tutorials and a variety of other things.